Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can be notified of more videos. And today I am making my 3 fall recipes that I promised my divine. Use the Hurom 320 juicer. Be sure to check the video out if you want to know how to assemble the Hurom H320 juicer. I am going to make 3 fall recipes with lovely ingredients that you can find in your local garden, farmer's market, just simple recipes. And I've probably made these recipes before with my other juicer, but some of them I may not. I'm not quite sure. But either way, this will be my first time making these recipes with the Hurom H320 juicer. So I will be sure to let you know my opinion on the difference between this juicer and my other juicer as well. Be sure to read the description for the recipes and the tips and everything as usual. First juice that I am making, I'm using zucchini. I'm also using a green apple. I'm using a piece of lemon, and I am using some kale. I'm going to take some of the apple. I'm going to take some of the zucchini. I'm going to take more of the kale. Looked like it made about a good 10 ounces, so let's see. Okay, so let's see how much it made. It smells so good. So it made about 8 ounces. Okay, so now let's try our first lovely fall juice with the Hurom H320. I love it. Let's get on to the second juice. Okay, again, I am using some kale. I'm using some apple. I'm also using some fennel, okay? I'm also using some celery, and I am using some lemon. I'm going to take some of the kale. I'm going to take some of the apple, take the celery, take the lemon, take the piece of fennel. Okay, and now we are going to juice this second juice up, and I think it's probably going to make the same amount, pretty much. But we are using celery, so it'll probably be a little more, maybe 10 to 12 ounces. Let's see. Okay, so let's see how much this juice made. Yeah, definitely is more because we used the celery. Okay, so we have about a good 10 ounces here. And so we're going to try this lovely fall juice. Okay, and so let's try it. Lovely. I love it. And it's so good. All right, let's get on to the third juice. So this juice, I'm using grapes. I'm using some kale. I'm using some romaine lettuce. I'm using some lemon, and I'm also using some ginger. I'm going to put the kale in, going to put the grapes in, going to put the romaine in. I already put the ginger in. I'm going to put the lemon in. Okay, and we are going to juice this up. It's a lot. It's like a lot. This juice was about 15 ounces, okay? So we are going to try this juice. Okay, so let's try our third lovely fall juice. Well, this has grape in it, so it's really sweet. The Hurom H320 juicer, it makes some lovely juice, okay? It's smooth. It tastes great. I look forward to making a lot of more recipes with this juicer and giving you more tips and advice when you use this juicer and when I make recipes. But I want you to enjoy these fall recipes for fall, and I will be sure to share a lot of more recipes, not just for fall, but for just your life in general and your well-being. So as always, Divine, I want you to continue to be well, continue to be true to yourself, and make sure you continue to enjoy your green juices and your lovely fresh juices. And be sure to check out my other juicing recipes